Hello and welcome back. So we are now parked up at the Brothers Water Inn, and we are just heading through towards the next stop of the day, our final stop of the day. So as you'll have seen in previous videos, hopefully, if not, check them out. We firstly got to Lakehead Car Park on the west side of the Lake District, where we parked up and went out to walk, well, I say walk loosely, to climb Scarfell via Lord's Rake and the Westwall Traverse. Incredible. I don't think I'll ever get over how good a walk that was. Then we went back down to the car, did what we needed to do, grabbed some water, grabbed some towels, and we headed out to Ritson Force. Walked along, lovely walk through the valley along the low level stuff, really nice. And where we jumped in, well, we didn't jump in, but we got in and we just had a little sit about in the pools there, cooled down, reinvigorated ourselves really. So now on this stop we are going to be, hi, alright. So we are now going to go, and we're going to go up to Perched Hole, where we'll spend the night, hopefully. Obviously, if there's a lot of people there, or there are people there, then I have brought a tent, so we have backup. But fingers crossed, we get some joy, and we can go up there, spend the night in the cave, which is something me and the wife are really looking forward to. When I say the wife, I mean Lisa, who is over there. And yeah, hopefully we'll get the place to. Let's go. Super proud of her. She's had a massive day today, and now she's walking up here with weight. Really pushing herself. Really come on leaps and bounds lately. Not just with the running, but this sort of stuff. She really does get scared, but she won't be beaten, and that's all you've got to ask. Look at that. Nearly there. Up on the other side of that. We are done. We are going to walk up here, get up to there, come back along here, and then up over that crag is Perched Hole. I'll bring you back when we get there. And here we are, home for the night. We'll be in here. That'll be where our beds go. Put my gear over here. Lots of rubbish. It's somewhat disappointing. Not surprising though. And these are the views for tonight. Wow. You have a little mousey friend. Wow. That's also incredibly hungry, I would imagine.
Doesn't he go about it?
This is beautiful.
Yes, well, I'm going to stick these on because I don't want that one.
And there for you.
Yeah, put them on fire. And get some sauce.
Well, this is pretty amazing, and it is well overdue. It's been a very long day, and we've been just living off pepperonis, pork pies and bloody sweets.
No.
So I have a good belly full of food in absolutely the most perfect setting. I don't think I can ask for any more. Don't want much from this life. Just moments like this here and there. That's all we ask. But for now, I'm going to get away. We're going to eat this, and we're going to get ourselves to bed. Taking the quiet in this glorious, glorious setting.
The stars.
If you're still watching at this stage of the video, I'll say thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. If you could give us a like on the video, comment, tell us what you think, tell us if you've ever been here before. Also, tell us maybe what you think we should get up to next, or what you're possibly planning on getting up to. Tell us in the comments. And yeah, come along and join us on the next one. Thanks for watching.